At ElectroTech, we don't just stop at good, we strive for exceptional. Picture this: a seamless supply chain where authenticity, reliability, and performance of electronic components reign supreme. That's what we're all about. We welcome you to partner with ElectroTech, your trusted partner in supply chain excellence. Dive into our world of services, carefully designed to safeguard your supply chain. Component authentication. Trust is non-negotiable. Our experts ensure every component is the real deal, eliminating any doubts or uncertainties. Electrical testing. Say goodbye to surprises. Our cutting-edge testing procedures guarantee top-notch performance, ensuring your components meet the highest standards. Value-added services. Need that extra boost? Count on us. From custom solutions to expert consultations, we've got you covered every step of the way. But wait, there's more. Our network spans the globe, bringing you accredited staff and partners ready to tackle any challenge, anywhere, anytime. We don't just follow industry standards, we set them. With ElectroTech, you're not just a client, you're family. We listen, we adapt, and we deliver, crafting solutions tailored exclusively to your needs. Choose ElectroTech for peace of mind. Rest easy knowing your supply chain is in capable hands. Reliability, count on us to deliver every single time. Trust, build a partnership based on transparency and integrity. Join the ranks of satisfied clients who've made the smart choice. Elevate your supply chain with ElectroTech today. Ready to experience supply chain excellence like never before? Visit our website now and unlock a world of possibilities. Your journey to unmatched reliability starts here with ElectroTech.